It's a serious conversation we have in a party. You don't realize what man? It's like we are going straight on the verge of breaking up. Cause we can't bother with this.
Break up? Oh, you find new woman. You know some shit that from long time. I saw the man go on now.
Party, how new woman dropping at this?
And that man want to. Who is she? Tell me, tell me more. Come not that son man go on now. Is it anytime I start all of then? A new woman wanna find. Can't tell me nothing.
So I'm gonna ask you something. You find a new man?
Who me? Good girl Patricia? No sir, I don't have not someone in my life.
So you don't have no man in your life?
I know that I mean. Well, my think me the have you, but now you say I break up son.
Suppose me for priest say, just because you're gone for 3 weeks, you have another man in your life.
Sure I don't mix me. It's me, me's a different. Oh. That's why I don't.
Bloody realize, if you can't blame me, say me have a woman too, you gone for 3 weeks, then me no can't blame you. And I me go where you know.
I never leave gonna with her. Like I say, I do want to cool off because I that try avoid this back and forth. But here we are.
I say you avoid something. Even if you avoid something, you sure this you avoid or something else you avoid? That's it. What going with you? One time we could have come to agreements on certain things, but no, it's like you're just always in a defense mode.
Come now and get hurt again. So the thing is that you not understand Chris. So anytime I get emotionally attached to anybody, I always get hurt. So I look emotional something what you want from me and I don't get it.
You never get it. Say you tell me, say, we in a relationship and you intentionally put up a wall. How we go pass it?
Same way we get over all of the world than before. You just have to respect say it's like everyone to process and it's gonna take a little time.
So, you don't respect my process then. So you want me to understand you and you don't understand me. I know say the brother we used to deal with before me, him hurt him. And you can't use film fat to fry me.
But you never have no fucking that never go in there.
Patsy, ask you something. Are you did involved in a relationship?
Well, if me this stay, pretty sure I'm gonna be Mr. Fan.
Oh. So you get somebody else pregnant while you're there.
Somebody women know about. Man, not no more than that.
Better further. Alright, let me tell you something. In a relationship, very good. And you're married. Not a stepmother really. So you can't just walk. You have to go through it together. That way you want me to understand.
You know some of this to me, right?
So you don't have to tell me that. Know that. Me, you have a weird way to show you.
I just don't want to invest no back time and emotions. And then, before you know it, you and she disappear.
That, never. I promise you.
Man, how can a perfume not tell weird?
You see a man that I'm always weird.
Mm. I've seen about that to me before.
Sure, yeah.
Alright, ish. I mean, I could be a little bit, sir.
So, what would I make?
You already know. Mm, 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 mm.
How about that?
Oh, and the taxi. Ugh!
So you really call a taxi?
I'm not gonna pay like of course. You know what I have to pay, babe.
Yeah. I didn't think that I thought about, you know. You can't do that. Why you never just ask me to bring you home?
Like I said, baby, when I'm gonna with me like I argue. So you know, it's like if I get vex money and I get vex right.
Well, I get vexed something there again. I that to do the last time, you know. You can't just make it work two things.
Baby, we go work things. Just like how we just work through all of that. Yeah. And it is. Later, baby. Oh, until listening, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, wait. I'll lie with you tomorrow. Just tell me where to make a stand, okay? Coming!
Happy Father's Day, Chris.
Thanks. I not even know what to say.
I have something for ask you.